Hey guys, Becky here from Frenzied Printing. I just wanted to go over some features of the Anycubic Photon P1 resin printer. I've been using this printer now for 4 months and it's got 441 print hours on this machine. It's become a cornerstone of my shop. So not only does it have 441 print hours, it has 250,000 layers that have been printed, meaning the light has turned on and off 250,000 times. And the difference between print 1 and print 441, none. It's been reliable, it's been stable, it has been an outstanding machine so far, and I've really enjoyed the experience of using it. Let me show you some things that I've made and some features for this machine. That's how many hours I've been printing. That's how many layers that the machine has pulled for me. And everything's been going great. Quick shout out for this gold award that the P1 received this year. These are not all the features, just the key features that I believe increase the consistency and the level of my workflow. The first thing is Intelligent Print Assist 3.0. In the slicer, it looks like this. And the other thing is wave release technology. You can read all about it on the Anycubic store page. Okay, this is one of my first time-lapse videos, and I use the integrated camera to do it, so it's not the best angle, but it did get the job done. In my opinion, the name of the game in the resin 3D printing world is consistency. Can I consistently get prints that don't fail? Can I consistently get quality in my prints that make my audience go, wow? So after over 400 print hours and many models being printed, do I recommend the Anycubic P1 series of printers? Yes, I do. This is a very high quality series of printers. I say series because the next generation in this series, the P1 Max, is coming soon. So if you're looking to get into resin printing, or if you're already in resin printing but you're fed up with your workflow, this is the machine for you. Again, this isn't a full review. I did do a review when I first received the machine. This is just a check-in after over 100 print hours, actually over 400 print hours. And hey, I'm still happy with it. It has completely replaced my other resin printer altogether. I'll put a link in the description to my original review. I don't like to review things and just read to you what's available for you to read yourself on the store. It's a little bit different. You might like it. So if you re-watch my original review video, you'll see that this is the detail that I was able to achieve on my first print. So this is the most recent print from the P1 that just completed today. This my finger. This is how tiny these details are. So you just saw the first print that I had on this same exact machine, and this is the most recent print after 250,000 layers have been printed, over 440 hours of print time on this machine, and it's still pumping out the details like a champ. If you want to see more content like this from me, make sure you subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you.